Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a chain bracelet in Autodesk Inventor by using the Autodesk Inventor surface commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Here go to Plane and take offset from plane. Go to Origin, select the XY plane, go to Home View and we will take a offset of 40 mm. Press OK. Select this plane, go to Create Sketch. Here take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle here of diameter 20. From this center point, make diameter 12. Go to line command. Here make a center line and go to line command once again. Make one line like this and one line like this and scale. Okay. Go to dimension. Define the angle here as 45 degree. Define this angle as 50.56 and scale. Okay. Here go to line command and make one line like this and one line like this. Go to parallel constraint, select this line, select this line, select this and select this. Go to coincident, select this center point, select this point and scale. Go to trim command, trim this and this and scale. Okay, we have trimmed all the center points. Now go to line command, go to construction geometry and make a construction geometry joining these all. Join here and join this. Go to parallel constraint again, select this line, select this line and select this and select this. Okay, or select this and this. Okay, and escape. Now here this is going to be not the parallel. Go to coincident, select this point and select this point and escape. Okay, now here finish sketch. Go to plane, offset from plane, select this plane and take here offset of 3 mm. A new plane will be generated. Press OK. Now here select this new plane, go to create sketch, go to project geometry, project this line and project this line. Finish sketch. Now select this plane. Okay, select this plane 1 and plane 2. Right click, turn off the visibility. Now we have two sketches here. One this main sketch and one this projected sketch. Okay. Now here go to 2D sketch and here take 3D sketch and click here include geometry. Include this and this. Escape and finish sketch. Okay. Now select sketch 1, select sketch 2, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we have 4 lines in different planes. You can see 2 in this plane, 2 in this. Go to home. Okay. Now we will take here the boundary patch. Select this and select this. Okay, a boundary patch will be constructed here. Press OK. Now here go to thicken and offset. Select this. Take a thickness of 1 mm and press OK. Okay, now this has become a solid profile. Now here go to the XY plane and here I'll click on create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make here a circle of diameter 8 mm. From the same center point, make here diameter of 12 mm. Okay, and here go to the rectangle command and take 2 point center rectangle and make one rectangle here. Go to dimension, define this 20 and define this 20 and finish sketch. Go to extrude, select this and here take cut, flip the direction and here I'll take all. So this will become a through cut. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Only this profile will be left. Press OK. Now here go to 3D model and here I'll select this boundary patch, right click, turn off the visibility. Go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 0.25. Select this edge, select this and select this inner. Press OK. Now here go to circular pattern and here I'll click on pattern solid. Rotation axis, y axis will be the rotation axis and here the count will be of 35. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see the pattern profile. Okay, I'll give here a opal finish. I'll press OP and enter. So this will be the final out. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a surface model in Autodeskinventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.